Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive.
I'm really excited to be here.
Now, today we're looking into something
Okay.
that might be a little bit out there for some people.
Okay.
But stick with us because it's really fascinating.
All right.
And that is financial blocks.
Yes.
Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things
Mm-hmm.
to achieve your financial goals?
Mm-hmm.
You're budgeting,
Right.
you're saving,
We were working hard.
you're working hard,
Yeah.
and you're still not quite where you want to be.
Yeah, and you feel stuck.
Yeah, like there's some invisible force that's
Exactly.
kind of sabotaging your efforts.
It's actually very common.
Is it?
Oh, it is extremely common.
Really?
Yeah, you see many people carry these deeply ingrained subconscious beliefs about money
Okay.
that shape their financial reality.
Oh, wow. So these are what we call financial blocks.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
they can be incredibly powerful.
So it's almost like having this invisible ceiling on your income, or maybe even like a fear of success
Yes.
that keeps you playing small.
That's exactly it.
Oh, gosh. I know it sounds kind of a little out there, but
Right.
the thing is, these beliefs, they often operate beneath our conscious awareness.
Absolutely. We don't even know that they're there.
Wow.
So they're formed from early childhood experiences,
Okay.
societal conditioning,
Uh-huh.
even past financial traumas that we might have experienced.
Interesting. So it's all these things that we don't even really realize are there?
Exactly. We might not even realize we have them,
Yeah.
but they can have a huge impact on our financial lives.
How so?
It can create so many issues. It can
Okay.
create stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities.
Right.
And that feeling of being stuck in a cycle
Yeah.
of financial struggle.
Yeah, it's that feeling of like I'm doing everything I should be doing,
Right.
but I'm still not getting anywhere.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's frustrating.
It is.
Very
And
frustrating.
the thing is, like with that traditional financial advice, you budget, you save, that often falls short because
Right.
it's only addressing the surface level.
Exact. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a broken bone.
Yes,
Right.
exactly.
You have to go to the root of the problem.
Yeah, we need to address the root cause,
Yes.
which is these subconscious financial blocks.
Exactly.
So how do we do that?
So that's where the power of hypnosis comes in.
Okay.
Here at International Hypnosis School, we've developed a 5-day healing journey program
Mm-hmm.
that is specifically designed to help people identify and release these blocks.
Okay.
Hypnosis allows us to access that part of the mind where these beliefs are stored
Okay.
and gently reprogram them for success.
I like that word gently.
Yeah.
Because it's not about like forcing anything.
No.
It's about working with our subconscious.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about this 5-day program.
Yeah.
Day 1 is focused on recognizing those financial blocks.
Right.
Now, this isn't just about, thinking positive thoughts.
Right.
It's about using hypnosis to uncover those deep-seated beliefs that might be sabotaging our efforts.
And we use a special technique for this
Okay.
called a money belief assessment.
Okay.
And that helps you pinpoint
Mm-hmm.
the specific limiting beliefs that you may not even be aware of.
So it's like shining a light on these hidden obstacles
Exactly.
that have been tripping us up.
Yes.
And I imagine that could be pretty eye-opening for people.
It is very eye-opening.
Yeah.
Because sometimes people don't even realize what those beliefs are.
Yeah, and then they're like, oh, wow,
Yeah.
I've been carrying this belief about money my whole life.
Right.
And it's been holding me back this whole time.
Exactly. And once those beliefs are brought to the surface,
Uh-huh.
we can start to address them directly.
Okay.
And so days 2 and 3 of the program
Mhm.
are focused on managing stress and anxiety around money.
Okay, because let's be real. Finances can be a major source of stress for people.
Absolutely.
And when we're stressed, we're not exactly operating from a place of clarity
Right.
and abundance.
Yeah, right. And that stress can actually block us
Yeah.
from attracting wealth and prosperity.
Interesting.
So we use relaxation techniques and hypnosis to calm the nervous system
Wow.
and rewire your response to financial pressure.
So it's not just about, getting rid of that stress.
Right.
It's about rewiring how we react to it.
Exactly.
Right.
So that we can actually invite more abundance in.
Interesting. Okay.
Yes.
So day 3 introduces a technique
Right.
called autogenic training.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure. Autogenic training is a powerful self-regulation technique that teaches you to command your body to release tension
Wow.
and become more receptive to abundance.
So it's almost like giving ourselves a mental massage.
Right. It's like a mental massage.
But on like a much deeper level.
Exactly, on a much deeper level.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's not just about relaxing our mind.
Right.
It's about shifting our entire physiological state
Exactly.
to one that's more aligned with abundance.
Yes, it's about creating a sense of inner peace and calm
Okay.
that allows you to open up to new possibilities and attract greater wealth into your life.
Wow, this is incredible. And we're only on day 3.
Exactly.
We've got 2 more days to go.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Yes, it's a very powerful program.
All right, so we've covered the first 3 days of the 5-day healing journey program,
Yes.
recognizing your blocks, managing stress, and using autogenic training
Right.
to create a state of deep relaxation and receptivity,
Exactly.
essentially preparing the ground for deep transformation.
Exactly. And that's where days 4 and 5 come in.
Okay.
Getting to the heart of those blocks and rewiring your subconscious for abundance.
That sounds powerful.
It is very powerful.
All right, so day 4 is all about releasing those financial blocks
Yes.
through deep hypnosis.
Think of it like diving into the depths of your mind,
Okay.
gently uncovering and releasing those old patterns and beliefs that have been holding you back.
So this is where we get to the root of the problem.
Exactly. It's amazing to witness
Well-
the emotional release and sense of liberation people experience during these sessions.
Wow, and then day 5 focuses on recognizing and understanding abundance.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's about shifting from a scarcity mindset
Okay.
to one of possibility and opportunity.
That feeling of there's never enough
Yeah.
can be so pervasive.
Yes.
How does the program help people to overcome that?
So we use powerful visualizations and hypnotic suggestions
Okay.
to help you experience the feeling of abundance on a deep, visceral level.
So it's not just about thinking positive thoughts.
Yeah.
It's about actually feeling the energy of abundance within you.
Precisely. And that shift in energy can have a profound impact on your financial reality.
That's so interesting.
Yes.
Okay, so I know some people listening might be a little hesitant about hypnosis.
Right.
They might picture, a stage hypnotist
Right.
swinging a pocket watch,
Yeah.
making people cluck like chickens.
I understand the skepticism.
Yeah.
But hypnotherapy is a completely different experience.
Right.
It's a safe and gentle process
Okay.
that allows you to tap into the incredible power of your own subconscious mind.
And you're always in control, right?
Always you're in control.
It's not about mind control. It's about self-empowerment.
Exactly. You're simply guiding your mind
Aren't they?
towards a more positive and abundant state.
I like that.
Yeah.
So for anyone listening who might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it really for me?
Yeah.
Who is this 5-day healing journey program designed for?
It's for anyone who is feeling stuck financially, despite their best efforts. Anyone who's ready to break free from limiting beliefs and step into a life of greater financial freedom and abundance.
So whether you're struggling with debt, feeling capped in your career,
Yes.
or simply wanting to create a more prosperous future, this program can provide the tools and support you need.
We've seen incredible results with people from all walks of life.
Now let's talk about Guzelia Davis,
Yes.
the creator of this program. As the founder of the International Hypnosis School,
She has dedicated her life to empowering people to unlock their full potential.
and her expertise really shines through in this program.
It does.
Her approach is both gentle and effective,
Yes.
combining the power of hypnosis with practical techniques that you can integrate into your daily life.
Exactly. And the fact that this program is only 5 days
Right.
makes it accessible for
Yeah.
even the busiest individuals.
That's great. So if you're ready to release those financial blocks and unlock your financial potential, we highly encourage you to check out the 5-day healing journey program.
It's available for instant access
Okay.
and at just $47.
Wow.
It's an incredibly affordable investment in your future.
You deserve to experience financial well-being
Yes.
and create a life of abundance and prosperity.
And we believe that this program can be the catalyst for that transformation.
We've explored the hidden power of these subconscious beliefs and the impact they have on our lives.
Yeah, absolutely.
And of course, how this 5-day healing journey program can help you break free.
It's amazing how much transformation can happen in just 5 days.
I know, right? It's incredible.
Yeah.
It's so powerful how releasing those inner blocks can create such a ripple effect in people's lives.
It really is. And it's not just about the money,
Right.
It's about the confidence, the self-belief, the freedom
Yeah.
that comes with knowing that you are in control of your financial destiny.
That's what I love about this program. It's not just about, financial techniques.
Right.
It's about empowering people
Yes.
to create a life of abundance in all areas.
Absolutely. It's about aligning your energy with prosperity
Okay.
and opening yourself up to a world of possibilities.
And I love that. So
Yeah.
as we conclude this deep dive,
Yes.
I want to leave you with a final thought.
Okay.
What would be possible for you If you are free from financial stress and anxiety.
Oh, that's a powerful question.
It is. Just imagine waking up every morning
Yeah.
with a sense of excitement and possibility,
Right.
knowing that you have the power to create the financial future you desire.
I love that.
Imagine pursuing your passions and dreams
Yes.
without the weight of financial worry holding you back.
It would be life-changing.
It would.
Many people.
And feeling confident and empowered
Absolutely.
to make financial decisions
Yes.
that align with your values and goals.
That's the key.
That's the kind of transformation that the 5-day healing journey program can facilitate.
It really can.
Remember, you deserve to experience financial well-being
You do.
and create a life of prosperity.
Absolutely everyone does.
And we believe that by addressing your subconscious blocks, you can unlock that unlimited potential.
Yeah, that's within you.
So if you're ready to embark on this incredible journey to financial freedom,
Yes.
explore the 5-day healing journey program further.
It's available right now.
Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into releasing financial blocks
We hope you feel inspired and empowered to step into your full financial power.
and create a life of abundance and joy.